Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, this is the wall for the cabin that's holding the septic tank. And since the septic tank is there, this needs to be smaller. So let's go and cut it down. Dum, 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 dum. And organizing all the parts and stuff. That's it. Everything that's gonna stay in the boat is tucked away, so now it's just to get everything else out. Yeah, today we're gonna do the last final touches, get the cushions and stuff like that in the boat. But I'm gonna go out and polish the propeller, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna let my ozone generator work inside the boat, kill off all molds and spiders and everything. So I'm just gonna, a big warning, this stuff is dangerous. It kills everything. So I'm gonna take a deep breath, turn it on and hurry out. Yeah, seal up the boat, let the ozone generator work, and in an hour or so I'm gonna turn it off. Let the ozone do its thing for maybe an hour more. Then it's just to vent out the boat and vacuuming up. So let's go polish the propeller. So there you have it. Why do I do it? Yeah, it's because those small barnacles disturbs the water, so you get a lot less grip on the propeller. I didn't believe it first, but when I did it the first time and I put the boat in gear, it just took off like a rocket compared to what it did before. So yeah, for those who think it's not necessary to get all that crap off, get it off. You will be really impressed. At least I was. So Make sure that the brush are in the same material as the propeller. There is a lot of different kinds. There is steel, there is aluminium, there's stainless, that's brass, and so on. So you don't damage the prop. So yeah, now it's just to wait a little bit and let the ozone generator do its thing, and we will start putting everything in the boat again. And yeah, I am just gonna do the top section along the waterline once, and all these new surfaces I'm gonna do twice, and the rudder is gonna get one coat as well. But so that's that. Painted and ready for water. So now it's just to once again continue cleaning on the inside of the boat. She's ready for splash. Yeah, now the ozone generator has been off for about an hour or so, so it has been doing its magic. So now it's just to vent out the boat so I don't die, and then it's just to start adding stuff to the boat. Yeah, it's just to start putting them in the place, but I feel it still smells ozone in here, so I'm gonna go out and wait a little bit more.
Pappa. Pappa, engelska. Engelska. Jag ska gå. Pappa, jag filmar.
Yeah, now it's getting along. Cushings. The cushions are starting to find its place. Yeah, the cushions are starting to find its right place. A lot left, but one step at a time, and soon it's be finished. Var det svalt i det hålet, Hector? Ja. Var det kallt och skönt i? Let all the air out. It's coming water. So let's see if she starts. Yeah, she's lost, she's running, and no obvious leaks. So now it's just to go and continue with all the other boats. Kan du filma det jag gör? Akta, gå inte längre för då kommer du ramla.
Prata bruksporten. Pappa.
That's that. Now it's time to rebuild this.
Time to wait. Pappa, vad ska vi ha den långa till?
Vilken? Denna?
Nej, den.
Den?
Ja.
Det är ju bordet som man kan lägga telefonen och det är här.
Ja, för vi kan också ha den som en ball när vi leker pirat här inne.
Yeah, this might look a bit weak and flimsy, and yeah, it is quite weak and flimsy, but it has a point because underneath here is the emergency steering. The rudder post comes up there.
No!
And I made this weak and flimsy, so basically one good kick and it's destroyed. So if it's an emergency, I can just kick it, it will open, and I can put a wrench directly on the rudder. So now it's just to get the mattresses back inside.
Tack Nora. Det är min säng. Det är min säng. Oj, vad vit. Helt vit. Så kan vi leka pirat här inne.
Ja, snart så.
När den är färdig. Den är precis snart färdig. I toalettstolen. Sitter i toalettstolen fast.
Ja.
Oj! Asgrymt!
Så kan du klättra över till den andra madrassen där. So, now the aft cabin is back together and we are finished for today. And yeah, there's a cameraman. That's why the camera has been wobbling around. He has some difficult keeping the camera still and focused on the right stuff. So yeah,
Shark boy.
that's that for today. Yeah, tomorrow it's just organizing all the stuff in the boat. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, we are back home in the workshop at the workboard, and now it's really time to jank stuff up. So let's see, what have we done? We have made a larger septic tank. We have a 24-volt water boiler. New water hoses. We have put on new anti-foul. Underwater lights is gone. Take away and move the through hulls. Toilet and shower are finished. Cushions. LED lights is halfway done. I'm just waiting for the last. A horn I actually have laying in the car, so that's close to done. Yeah, now I'm just gonna neat this board up. Yeah, we are getting there. When we started, it was totally covered, and even some more has been added. So, as you can see, there are and a lot of projects done and a lot left. So, but we are getting there. And yeah, I got my new computer, so now it's time to edit this video. So let's see you next time. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.